In this video, you will learn how to use Dropcourse.App in the USA. To use Dropcourse.App in the USA, first visit the website and sign up by entering your email and creating a password. After registering, you will have access to a wide range of digital products. This can be courses, memberships that can all be sold online. Dropcourse is designed to help you launch and sell these ready-to-made products quickly. You can customize the content that suits your brand using tools like Canva and easily integrate them with your existing website or social media platforms. Once your courses are customized, the platform offers marketing tools. This will help you reach your audience, such as social media post templates and pre-written content. Dropcourse also supports seamless payment processing, so you can easily collect payments from your customers. Whether you're creating online digital content, fitness or e-commerce, Dropcourse streamlines the entire process, making it simpler to start and scale with your online business in the USA. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.